The DJI Mavic 4 Pro has officially arrived, setting a new benchmark in the world of consumer drones. Building upon its predecessors, this latest model introduces groundbreaking features that cater to both professional filmmakers and drone enthusiasts. Design and build quality. The Mavic 4 Pro showcases a refined design, emphasizing both aesthetics and functionality. Weighing approximately 1,045 grams, it strikes a balance between portability and durability. The drone's sleek form factor ensures ease of transport without compromising on robustness. Its construction is tailored to withstand various environmental conditions, making it suitable for diverse shooting scenarios. /cam. Camera system. At the heart of the Mavic 4 Pro lies its advanced camera system. The primary camera boasts a 100MP 4/3" CMOS sensor, developed in collaboration with Hasselblad, delivering exceptional image clarity and color accuracy. This is complemented by two additional lenses, a 70mm medium telephoto and a 168mm long telephoto, providing versatile focal lengths for different shooting needs. Wikipedia. +1. /cam. +1. Loyalty drones. +1. DroneXL.co. +1. The camera supports 6K video recording at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, ensuring smooth and high-resolution footage. With a dynamic range of 14 stops, it captures intricate details in both highlights and shadows, offering cinematic quality visuals. The inclusion of dual native ISO enhances low-light performance, allowing for clear imagery even in challenging lighting conditions. Gimbal and stabilization. One of the standout features of the Mavic 4 Pro is its redesigned gimbal system. Unlike traditional setups, this gimbal offers 360 degrees rotation, enabling dynamic and fluid camera movements. This innovation provides filmmakers with unparalleled creative freedom, allowing for unique shots that were previously challenging to achieve. Flight performance. Equipped with a 6,654 mAh battery, the Mavic 4 Pro offers an impressive maximum flight time of 52 minutes, allowing users to capture extended footage without frequent battery changes. The drone's top speed reaches approximately 56 miles per hour, 90 kilometers per hour, ensuring swift and agile maneuvers. Additionally, it boasts a transmission range of up to 40 kilometers, facilitated by the OcuSync Plus technology, ensuring stable and high-quality video feed over long distances. Wikipedia. +1. /cam. +1. The Verge. Mozzie video photography. Safety features. Safety is paramount in drone operations, and the Mavic 4 Pro addresses this with its comprehensive obstacle avoidance system. The drone is equipped with multiple sensors, including fisheye lenses and a front-facing laser radar, providing 360 degrees awareness. These sensors detect obstacles in real time, allowing the drone to navigate complex environments safely. Furthermore, the Mavic 4 Pro features an advanced return-to-home (RTH) system, ensuring the drone safely returns to its takeoff point in case of signal loss or low battery. Advanced features. RTK support. The Mavic 4 Pro supports real-time kinematic (RTK) technology, offering centimeter-level positioning accuracy. This is particularly beneficial for applications requiring precise georeferencing, such as surveying and mapping. UAV base. Electronic ND filter. The drone introduces an electronic ND filter system, allowing users to adjust exposure settings without the need for physical filters. This feature provides greater flexibility in varying lighting conditions. Mozzie video photography. +3. DroneXL.co. +3. Loyalty drones. +3. Mozzie video photography. Dual controller mode. The Mavic 4 Pro supports dual controller operation, enabling two operators to control the drone simultaneously. This is advantageous for complex shots, with one pilot controlling the flight and the other managing the camera. /cam. Pricing and availability. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is available in various configurations to cater to different user needs. Standard package, priced at approximately $2,250. This package includes the drone and the DJI RC2 controller. DroneXL.co. +3. Loyalty drones. plus 3. The Verge, plus 3. Fly More Combo. At around $3,200, this bundle offers additional accessories, including extra batteries and propellers. Cine Premium Edition. For professionals seeking enhanced storage and performance, this edition is priced between $4,000 and $5,000, featuring a 512GB SSD and the advanced DJI RC Pro 2 controller. The Verge, plus 2. Loyalty Drones, plus 2. DroneXL.co, plus 2. It's important to note that while the Mavic 4 Pro has been launched in several international markets, it is currently not available in the United States due to regulatory challenges and import restrictions. DJI has indicated that it is evaluating future opportunities to re-enter the US market. The Verge. Conclusion. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro represents a significant advancement in drone technology, combining cutting-edge imaging capabilities, innovative design, and robust performance. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, surveyor, or drone enthusiast, the Mavic 4 Pro offers a comprehensive solution to meet your aerial imaging needs. Its blend of versatility, safety, and advanced features makes it a standout choice in the competitive drone market.